Alright, what up ecom bosses? How's it going today? I know I'm doing pretty good because I just did it. I made $10,000 using only Facebook ads, guys. And I know, you know what? I told myself it was going to be, when I first started the case study, I was going to try to do it in 30 days. And that was starting from 0 pixel. Like, that's like nothing. I had no data or whatsoever. And I tried doing it, and I lost a bunch of money that first 30 days, and that was 6 months ago. And I tried every single day to do it, and I was defeated. I didn't hit my goals. I was losing money. I was hurting. It wasn't very good. But after a while, my pixel data started, becoming better and better. And over the last 30 days, I really scaled my store, and I made $10,000, guys, using Facebook ads. Okay, it's doable. I'm gonna try to hit 50K in the next 2 months. Stay tuned for that. But right now, I want to let you guys know that I'm gonna take three key points, and I'm gonna summarize them. And I'm gonna do a bunch of videos over the next couple months, just really explaining to you what I've learned over the last 6 months, getting to that $10,000 level. And I'm going to show you my stats right now on my phone. Hopefully the camera focuses on it, but I'm going to show you the stats on my phone. I'm going to show you what I did in the last 30 days. I'm going to show you my ad spend, and then I'm going to do my product cost for you. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Give me a minute. Here's my Stripe account. It's my payment processing account. You see, in the last, it says 4 weeks, I did $10.2 thousand. Where is it at? Yep, 10.1. And then I also have, and that's the last 4 weeks, that's the last 30 days, guys. I made $10.1 thousand. It's not all profit. We know that. You guys should know that too. Which is why I'm going to show you my ads account on my phone. Okay. The last 30 days, I'm going to put my finger next to the number. The last 30 days, you're going to see $5,000 in ad spend. So basically what's happening is I'm spending, and this is real, this is totally real, so is my Stripe. I'm going to show you it's totally real. Totally real, those are my numbers. So basically we're going to say $5,000 of profit from my ads, but that's also not included the product cost. The product cost was only $1,000 to me, including shipping and everything. $1,000. So I profited $4,000, guys, in the last 30 days. And I started scaling my store on the 15th day. I didn't scale for the first 15 days. So, this month alone, I've made $9,000. Okay? So I'm going for, by the end of the month, hopefully $15,000 at a much, probably 50% profit margin as well. My profit margins are pretty healthy, like very healthy. And you know what? That's over. I started doing this, guys, 2 years ago. I've learned, I've built off my knowledge, I've built off my failures. 6 months ago, I said I was going to make 10K using Facebook ads. I didn't get there. I failed a bunch, but I learned so much stuff, and now I'm making more money than I know what to do with. Okay, because I know that's going to carry on to next month. And I know if you guys are watching my videos before, you know that there's also recurring revenue. And I've added $1,000 in recurring revenue this month alone. I'm going to add more next month. I'm going to hopefully get the $10,000 monthly recurring revenue from my store in the next 6 months. Okay, that's the goal. That's 100 people on my store. I'll be very happy with that. No, it's 200 people on my store, on my recurring revenue. Either way, I did it. I was able to make 10K using Facebook ads, only Facebook ads, and you can too. So what I'm going to be doing the next couple months, probably forever, is I'm really going to break down what I'm learning. And I'm going to be honest, I lacked in the last couple months, and honestly, it's because I was learning and failing. And now it's like clicking more for me, and it's really all making sense, so I can teach you guys better. So what I'm trying to say is, stick around, watch the videos, guys. I made $10,000, $4,000 profit. It's life-changing. I just graduated from my junior year of college, and you're asking, why are you still in college? And to be honest, it almost doesn't make sense considering I'm going to probably be making a whole bunch more money soon. But because I've already invested so much money in college, there's no point not to finish my senior year. Might as well get a degree, even though it's pointless. My degree's pointless because I'm making money. And I started my freshman year not even having the idea of, having a store. I knew my freshman year that I wanted to make a bunch of money before my senior year ended. I didn't know how. I didn't really have a method, but I figured it out my junior year, or my sophomore year. And then I've built on that every single day, guys. I put in 3-4 hours every single day for 2 years, and it's finally paying off. I wouldn't be surprised if it pays off even bigger next month, even bigger the next month, and it's going to be growing. And I'm going to teach you guys everything I've learned, and how to do it. I mean, my past videos, trust me, my past videos are the exact same methods that I use today, just, a little bit more built upon. So stick around, like and comment on this video, because I finally did it. I made $10,000 using Facebook ads. I'm pumped. You know what? You guys can do it too. I know for a fact you guys can do it too. It takes time and effort. But like and comment on this video. Please subscribe to this channel because we're going to blow up. Ecom bosses, ask your questions below. See you next video.